Are your shoes on backwards?
Nope. I'm doing it.
Are they too small for you?
Nope. I'm doing mine though.
Are they too small for you?
Nope. He's perfect.
They're perfect?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Say hi, Mommy.
Say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
All right, no, Grandma putting them back now.